Hello everyone, good afternoon. Sage again, live from the 𝐾𝐿 studios. And you are watching the Penny Picks show. Let's zoom our lens on the market performance today and how the penny space continues to be under the spotlight. After Wednesday's massive fall, the Australian market is rebounding from the lower levels. The ASX 200 has reclaimed the 7,000 mark. And notably, the benchmark index is performing well despite weak global cues and defying global concerns on inflation anxiety and the Bitcoin crash. Australian shares on Thursday recovered from the heavy sell-off in the previous session, with bank and technology stocks leading gains, though a drop in commodity and crude oil prices weighed on miners and energy sectors. Amid the recovery phase of the Australian share market, let us discuss a few penny stocks under the spotlight today. Beginning with today, Metallicity Limited soared above 30% on notifying Nex Metals that the earn-in component of its farm-in agreement has been met, and the company now has a 51% and controlling interest in both the Kukini and Yandamindra gold projects, hosting several priority prospects that the company has been actively exploring. Next is Estrella Resources Limited, soared above 19% on the index today, and from the day's high of 0.070 Australian dollars to the low of 0.055 Australian dollars. The stock has given a fair move on both the sides, and this price action reflects the company's announcement that another strong nickel-copper iron intersection has confirmed that the T5 conductor contains significant nickel-copper sulfide. Moving on, Hexamer Limited soared over 16% on announcing selection of 𝐵𝑒Zidiphthide as the non-proprietary name of Hexamer's HXP124 by the International Non-Proprietary Names, or INN program, and classification of medical products of the World Health Organization, or WHO. The designation of 𝐵𝑒Zidiphthide as the first in a new class of antimicrobial peptides highlights its important role in this space. The next major news in the penny space is that shares of Great Northern Minerals Limited have soared over 100% by midday today, and the stock has been on a move since 17th of May, when the company announced the receipt of the initial 4-metre composite results from the first batch of assays at Camel Creek from reverse circulation, or RC drilling program. The results highlighted that Camel Creek has potential for a substantial gold project, with results confirming deeper and higher grade mineralisation. Moving on, Province Resources Limited has confirmed receival of firm commitments for 18 million Australian dollars equity capital raising. Subscription is priced at 15 cents Australian per share, and as of now, it is heavily oversubscribed by ESG and other institutional funds. Province's medium-term ambitions are now fully funded as per the company, and the company is well placed to meet any capital requirements for scoping, feasibility studies and mineral exploration commitments at its high-energy ZERO, zero carbon hydrogen project. Post completion of capital raising, PRL's cash position will be more than 23 million Australian dollars as per the company. Next, ECS Botanicals gains more than 8% on launch of innovative terpene blend range. ECS Botanicals announced today the launch and distribution of a range of terpene blend products under its Wellness brand. Manufacturing and distribution are underway. A distribution agreement for 12 months has been signed with Cronos Australia, another medicinal cannabis producer. And ECS is planning to broaden its list of distribution partners further to reach across Australia. Currently, it has received partnership quotes from Relief Clinics, Global by Nature, Rena Health Products and Complete Health Products. And meanwhile, the share price of American Rare Earths gained as much as 17.4% to reach 0.081 Australian dollars on Thursday. The rare earth minerals miner says it has secured mining claim rights over high-grade rare earths element project containing 80 contiguous lode mining claims in Nevada. Moving on again, shares of Australia's core lithium jumped higher as the company identified new exploration targets. The Lithium Explorer said it has defined additional exploration target of 9.8 million tonnes to 16.2 million tonnes of lithium oxide across 7 different prospects within its Finniss lithium project near Darwin. And Core Lithium says it is aiming to convert a high proportion of the exploration targets at Finniss to mineral resources in 2021. Next up, Pure Hydrogen eyes the best day in nearly 4 weeks on MOU with H2H Energy. Under the MOU, H2H is set to supply and maintain refuelling outlets on a number of companies' proposed sites. The company adds that it is planning to develop hydrogen refuelling hubs on the Australian east coast. And meanwhile, Adslot Limited eyes the best day in 1 month as the company signs a deal with S4 Capital Units. The media and advertising firm executed an agreement with Media Monks and its sister agency Firewood Marketing, a US-based subsidiaries of advertising and marketing co S4 Capital. And the company says agreements will enable Media Monks and Firewood to trade with companies' growing catalogue of premium US and global publishers via Adslot Media Marketplace. Thanks so much for joining us on that report, and hopefully that information will be helpful for you. And that's all for now. Stay tuned with 𝐾𝐿KINE TV for more live market updates, and we will be back with more news on the markets, economy and diverse themes and sectors. Sage signing off for now.